Hi, my name is Chris. I'm with Be Right There Heating and Air. I'm the install manager, and I want to show you how we set up our new install vehicle. All right, so this is how we set up the back of the vehicle. So we got all our different fittings from gas, liquid tight, EMT, etc., all in these bins so the guys could just grab them. We got all our tarps, the broom, we got duct seal, mastic, strap. We got extra elbows in case those are needed on the job. We got our fish rods down here, plastic to cover up the customer's furniture and different things. Straps here. We got shoulder dollies, all our wire, extra start collars, liquid tight, our insulation, plus some extra sheet metal underneath. We also have the tapers, support risers, an extra pump just in case that's needed on the job, extra flue venting just in case sometimes they're short and they need a couple more fittings, EMT benders. We got our vacuum here. This is what I came up with, is a little cleaning kit. It's got towels, different cleaners in there in case we make any sort of mess on the customer floor or on the walls. We have stuff to clean that up with. And then we got our trash bags to throw all our extra material in. So we decided to put most of our materials on the passenger side because that's the side that when you arrive to a customer's house, that's usually the side that's on the sidewalk. So we put everything from, we got all our electrical in here. We're just missing the breakers. That's the only spot. We have everything we need electrical wise in there for something we run into along the way. And then in this bin, we got the pigtails, electrical tape, and then we got our vacuum pump, recovery machine scale, and our manometer and everything. Testing stuff in there. And then this is where all the tape and everything, the normal use stuff for all the guys. These have different fittings in them from Romex connectors, and then we got a whole box of fuses and a fuse popper for the guys. And this one's got our gas nipple kits, our sediment traps, strap, paint, spray foam. We got wire nuts and then miscellaneous clamps and barb fittings in there. All right, so on this side, we have these three bins for mainly the installer tools. So they have somewhere to put all their stuff. This front bin has all our torches, copper fittings, nitrogen, recovery tank, extra tanks, oxygen acetylene, pro flush kit, regulator, and all the stuff you need to weld stuff in. In this bin, you can open this up. We got EMT, we'll have gas, all thread, and some wood on the bottom. We like to keep the stuff separate, so we made a separate shelf for anything that's PVC, like our covers and all that are on top, so they're not rolling around with the metals and getting them all dirty and scuffed up and marked up. So we don't have dirty PVC going into a customer's house. These are normally used as plumbing vehicles. Most people see them as that. When you see them on the road, they're normally for a plumbing company. We looked at these and we thought this was a better idea for the installers because of the outside bins, not just an open back, so that everything stays organized, so they can open a bin, they can see exactly what's in there, grab it and go. All right, so thank you for watching. Yeah, we're hoping that this design we made is going to be good for our installers. I'm sure there'll be some tweaks along the way on changes in there, and once the installers get out in the field and start working out of it, and we're just going to make the adjustment. And then we also have 2 other vehicles that we're doing this to, so as we get those out, we'll make the changes, and when we do, we'll match them on all the vehicles so that they're all the same, so any installer can just jump into any vehicle and know where everything's at, or look to help a guy load in the morning and restock his vehicle. They're all going to be in the same spot, so you can go in any vehicle and help anybody on the team. See you next time.